Hello everyone, this is Professor Gautam from Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. I welcome you all for today's session. In this session, I am going to discuss about problem on stopping sight distance. Now, let us have a problem on stopping sight distance. Okay, here is the problem. Calculate the safe stopping sight distance for design speed of 50 kmph for two-way traffic on a two-lane road and two-way traffic on a single plane road. Now we know that stopping sight distance formula is given by lag distance plus braking distance. Lag distance is given by the formula V into T plus braking distance is given by the formula V square divided by 2GF, where V stands for speed of the vehicle in meters per second, G stands for acceleration due to gravity, and F stands for coefficient of friction. Based on the speed value, you have to take that F value. Okay. Now we'll just check out the problem whether data is given in the problem to put it in an formula. Here he is saying that calculate the safe SST for a design speed of 50 kmph. That means he has given the speed data as how much? 50. Therefore, we can consider V is equal to 50 kmph, but you have to substitute this speed in terms of meters per second. Therefore, what you have to do? You just do 50 divided by 3.6. That will be equal to 13.9 meters per second. That's what the same I had solved here. I just converted kmph to meters per second, and G value, all of you know that it is equal to 9.81 meters per second square, and T value is 2.5 second. Now in this formula, V is available, that is 13.9 meters per second. T value we are assuming it as 2.5, and here G value are taking the value as 9.81. For the speed 50, F value you can consider it as 0.37. Now all data is available in the problem. You just substitute all the values like this. Stopping distance is equal to 13.9 into 2.5. 13.9 is the V value and T is the time we assumed, plus V square, that is 13.9 square divided by 2G into F, 2 into 9 into 0.87. Therefore, safe stopping sight distance for a speed of 50 kmph will be 61.4 meter. And this is how you have to solve the problem on stopping sight distance if all data are available. Thank you guys. Now we will meet in the next session with problem number